All right, in this video, I'm going to be previewing Unit 6, Lesson 10, and showing you a couple different options for solving one equation. So we worked quite a bit with hanger diagrams, and if you saw a hanger diagram like this, you might write an equation for it, and your equation would probably look something like this. 5 times the quantity 2 plus x equals 11, because you see 5 groups of 2 plus x on the left and 11 on the right, and it's balanced. So if you see an equation with parentheses, we always have two different methods that we can use to solve it. We can either divide first or distribute first. And I'm going to show you both of these options. So if you choose to divide first to solve this equation, the first thing you do is divide those 5 groups. So we would divide each side by 5. That would tell you how much is in one group. And then on the other side, you would also want to divide into 5 groups to get how much is worth. So when we divide on the left, those 5 groups, we just get 2 plus x is in each one of the groups. And 11 divided by 5, you can write that 11/5, or you might be more comfortable with 2.2. So we have 2 plus x equals 2.2, and to solve for x, I'm going to subtract 2 from each side, and I'm going to get an answer of x equals 0.2, or x equals 2/10. We also may choose to solve this by distributing first. If you distribute first, you're going to multiply the 5 by each number or value in parentheses. 5 times 2 is 10, and 5 times x is 5x. On the left, we have 10 plus 5x, and you can probably see that there are 10 and then there are 5x's, and that still equals 11. So I could solve this in another way. First, by subtracting 10 from both sides, and then I get 5x equals 1. And last, I divide by 5. So I could write x equals 1/5, or I could write x equals 0.2. Notice we get the same answer either way that we do this problem. So our goals today, you're going to try to solve in two different ways. If you see an equation with parentheses, you could first divide, for this example, each side by 3, or you could first rewrite it by using the distributive property. As we do problems in class and after class, you're going to see that sometimes one method is much more simple than the other, so it's good to be able to use both well.